Kali. Then Satya Yugas, Treta Yugas, then Dapar Yugas, and then Kali Yuga. So now coming in this way, after Satya Yuga, then Treta Yugas, and same Joy Vijay, they also appeared in the form of Ravan and Kumbhakarna. And same Lord Vishnu appeared in the form of Lord Ramchandra. This Leela is explained in this way. So now coming this way, Ravan, he also worshipped Lord Shiva. And he became very powerful. And he also performed hard austerities to Brahmaji. Then Brahmaji also gave benediction to him. He can conquer to everyone. But Ravan, he did not ask to Brahmaji, I conquered the human being and the monkeys. Because Ravan, he was thinking, human being, Manav, or monkeys, they are my breakfast. Very easy I can to kill them. So for this regard, Ravan, he did not ask to Brahmaji, the human being or monkey can to give it to me. But Lord is very powerful. No? So now coming in this way, Ravan, he disturbs to everywhere. He killed the Brahmanas, he killed the cows. In this way he disturbs. And he committed many kinds of sinful activities. Then all the demigod, then Prithvi Devi, he prayed to Lord Brahma. And then all the demigod headed by Brahma and prayed to Lord Vishnu. And he please save to us. Then Lord Vishnu told Brahmaji, don't worry. Soon I will be appeared in this material world in my form of Lord Ram, and I killed Ravan and all the demons. Because Ravan, he got this benediction from Brahmaji, and no one can kill to him, this is true. But he did not ask to Brahmaji, a human being or monkeys can't kill me. So I will appear in this way, in the form of human being, then I killed you. So Lord Ramchandra, that means Lord Vishnu, Ramchandra, he appeared in this material world to kill the demon. This is also our Puranas very nicely explained in this way. Actually, at a time also many things are coming. Ek karje Prabhu Koren 5-7. Lord, he appears in this material world. He is doing many also activities at a time coming. Why Lord, he descended from his abode Vaikuntha Dham to in this material world. In Puranas also very nicely explained in this way. They once Narad Rishi, you know Narad Rishi? He performed hard austerities. And then Kamadev, who is the president deities of lust, Kamadev. He came and he also paid his obeisances to Narad Rishi. And that time Narad Rishi also just opened his eyes. Then Kamadev, he told, hey Narad, you conquered to me. I completely refused. I tried to disturb you, but I can't do. Then Narad Rishi became very proud. Narad Rishi, he is thinking, now I conquered the lust. So Narad Rishi first he came in front of his father, Brahmaji. Father, I conquered the lust. Then Brahmaji told Narad, no, don't you say these words. I am your father, I can't conquer the lust. How possible my son you conquer the lust? That time Narad Rishi become very angry. Oh, my father, he does not know to me. Sometimes disciple think is, I know better than Guru. Huh? But this is what completely what? Offense, dangerous. Understand? Algovidya Bhayankari. Understand? A little learning is a dangerous thing.
Guru Mare Vidya.
Guru Mare
Vidya.
Understand? Very careful these things. So now coming in this way, Narad Rishi is as like this. Narad Rishi thinking, oh, Brahmaji is my Guru or my father. He does not know my heart or my Shakti. Then Narad Rishi left Brahmaloka, Brahmaji, and he came Kailas. And he told to Lord Shiva, oh my elder brother, do you know, I conquered the lust. Shivji told, Ram, don't tell this. You cannot conquer the lust. I am your elder brother. I can't conquer the lust. Lord Vishnu once manifested Mohini Sarup. Then I was chasing behind to him. You know, Srimad Bhagavatam, this katha also. Mohini Murti is Bhagavan. So in the same way, Shivji told, Narad Rishi, don't tell me these words. Then again Narad Rishi is also this proud coming. Although he is my elder brother, he does not know my heart. Okay, left that place. Then he came to Lord Vishnu. And he told to Lord Vishnu, do you know, I conquered the lust. Because Kamdev came in front of me and folded his hand. And Kamdev himself told, he defeated. Lord Vishnu did not say any word. Just smiled. Because baby speaking something, their father also was enjoying baby's words. Sometimes your baby is speaking, and if you speak glorifies of your, what is called, father's house. Understand? Their mother also were happy and enjoying the baby's words. Because mother, she was born in where? Her father's house. Our baby saying, Mom, I went to your birthplace and uncle place, that thing I saw there, many trees, that thing. Mom is very happy listening. Because mom knows it. Because mother, she was born in there. She knows better than the baby. But when baby is speaking, their mother is enjoying. In the same way, Lord Vishnu, very happy. He did not say much. Then also Lord Vishnu, so much glorified to Narad. Yes, you are very Prabhu, nice. You conquered the lust. That's what Shastra says. Who conquered the lust? Who can conquer the lust? Only Lord Vishnu. No one can conquer the lust. So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam, Ras Leela's one name is called Kam Vijay Leela. Kam Vijay, one who conquered the lust. Only Lord Vishnu, Bhagavan, Brahma, Shiva, Narada, they cannot conquer the lust. Only Lord Vishnu or Krishna, which Bhagavan, he can conquer the lust. But Naradaji was very proud of his own activities. The Lord Vishnu smiled, did not say anymore. Right? Then Naradaji, he coming back from Vaikuntha. On the way, Vaikuntha, he saw one very nice, beautiful marriage ceremony. Engagement ceremony. Actual engagement ceremony is going on. Bride and bridegroom, they are engaged ceremony is going on. Not actual. Before wedding festival, that is called the engagement ceremony is going on. Narada, when he came and saw very nice, beautiful, handsome young lady. Then Narada's eyes become Rasgulla. He forgot that I conquered the lust. Then Narada Rishi thinking, I have to marry with this and young girl. But this young girl, she will not like me to marry because I am not beautiful. She is very beautiful and attractive. Jogena Joggo Jogjote, or Sanskrit verse explain according to proverbs and according to the logic. And beautiful girl, she likes the beautiful man. A beautiful man like the beautiful person. This is simple. And ugly person, beautiful girl or princess, she does not want to marry with one ugly ugly girl. It's impossible. Ugly person, no, not impossible. And this is the nature. Look like this. So now this is thinking, who is the best beautiful person whose face is beautiful? Lord Vishnu. Yesterday I told, Bhagavad Vigraha is called. It is called Antarlad, unique. All Bhagavad Vigrahas, Vigrahas are the deities of Lord Vigraha. Face is what? Beautiful. So Narada again returned back to Vaikuntha and asked Lord Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, I want one benediction from you. The Lord Vishnu means Bhagavan, he knows the heart of all the living entities. What do you Well, what do you want? Then Narada told Lord Vishnu, you give your very beautiful face to me. Understand? Lord, he knows everything. Oh, now so much lust, desire coming in the heart of Narada Rishi. Why? Because Narada, then he committed offense to lotus feet of his father and elder brother. That's probably he told. If you committed offense, lotus feet of Vaishnava, big problem will come. This is the reason actually. So now coming to this way, Lord Vishnu, he knows everything. Lord Vishnu told, okay, Narada, I am giving very nice things to you, which is what is called? तुम्हारे मंगल के लिए मैं दे रहा हूँ. I am giving everything for your auspicious. Lord Vishnu did not say, I am giving my beautiful face to you. Lord Vishnu just used this word, I am giving everything to you, which is auspicious for you, good for you. तुम्हारे मंगल जैसे हो, उसके लिए मैं तुमको ये वरदान दे रहा हूँ. But Narada is thinking, Lord, he gave me his beautiful face to me. So Narada he came in that the wedding, what is called? Swayamvar Sabha, wedding festival. There he seated. Narada is thinking, now my face is very beautiful. All the demigod, Indra and others, even Brahmaji, also Shiva, all the demigod is in there the wedding festival. Narada is thinking, I am beautiful form, my form is beautiful and super excellent, unique. Must be this bride. Except me. So that bride taking the garland, she was running there, thinking, oh, Brahmaji is not qualified, my husband, because one day Brahmaji will die. Then she came in front of Indra. Oh, Indra is not perfect person. Indra cannot conquer the lust. Because Indra, with Ramayana also explained Indra and Chandra, he also came in the cottage of Gautam Rishi and tried to disturb to Ahilya. Okay, that katha is there. So that she also turned face from Indra and were going to the others, demigods. But Narada is thinking, I am very beautiful. Coming in front of the bridegroom, then bride turned his face. Narada is thinking, oh, maybe she did not see to me. Again coming in front of but she did not offer the garland to Narada Rishi. In the meantime, Lord Vishnu appeared Then she offered the garland to Lord Vishnu. Then Narad Rishi looking, what is going on this? Then Lord Vishnu and Lakshmi, actually that young girl, actually Lakshmi Devi, and seated on the back of Garuda and went to Vaikuntha. Then Narad Rishi's mind very disturbed. Oh Lord, cheat to me. Then all demigod and demigoddess joked with Narad Rishi. Hey Narad, look your face, how your beautiful form. But why not? My form is beautiful, my face is beautiful. And you cannot see your own face. And I cannot see my own face. And all you are looking my face, but I cannot see, you cannot see
Your
own face. So in the same, if you see one face, need is what? Put in front of the mirror. So demigod will go, Narad, go to in front of the mirror, you can see your face, how is it beautiful form. Then Narad Rishi told, why not? My form is beautiful as like the form of
Vishnu.
Lord Vishnu. Well, no, you go in front of. But why not? Lord Vishnu gave me benediction. Are you go in front of the mirror? Then Narad Rishi came in front of mirror. He saw his face as like monkey face. Oh my God, Narad Rishi became very angry. The Lord cheated me. Then Narad Rishi gave curse to Lord Vishnu. Hey Lord Vishnu, I am suffering to marry with one girl, one lady. In the same way, you will be to suffer from your wife. Then you realize what kinds of itching coming in your heart. So much separation will come. Then you realize. In this way, Narad Rishi, he gave curse to Lord Vishnu. Actually, everything is what? Arranged by Yogamaya. Because here, Lord had to descend from Vaikuntha Dham in the form of Lord Ram and Sita. And to kill the demons and establish the Varnashram Dharma. Everything is what? Coordinate this way. Then Lord Vishnu told Narad Rishi, I accept your curse. Soon I will appear in the form of Ram, and my Lakshmi Devi, she will be appearing in the form of Sita Devi. And then in this way, we also perform this lila. And Ravan will kidnap my Sita. And in this way, I will also release the separation mood from Sita Devi. This way. Then Ravan, he become Narad Rishi, he become very lajit ho gaya, apologized. Ashamed. Then Narad Rishi told, Oh Prabhu, you gave me this face, monkey's face, and this monkey will go to help to you of your this lila. All this lila. This is called our background of Ram Lila. Why Ram, that means Lord Vishnu, appeared in this material world in the form of Lord Ram, and Lakshmi Ji appeared in the form of Sita Devi. This is the actual foundation of Ramayana. Another also Leela, our many also Leelas, why Lord Ramchandra appeared in this material world. Once in the beginning of the creation of Sapta Yugas, and that time demigod and demons, they are fighting to each other. But that time demons, they become very powerful. They about to defeat the demigod. Indra and others, demigod and demigoddess, try to kill the demon. But all the demons, they also are taking shelter on ashram of the rishis, Gautam ashram, Gautam rishis. Because his wife, she was very high class ladies, and according to her chastity, and she control her house. And if anybody takes shelter, her house, and demigod and demigod come to kill to him. And उस समय गौतम ऋषि नाम से कोई ऋषि था, बहुत प्रभावशाली ऋषि, और उनकी पत्नी के नाम क्या नाम था? वो अपने सतीत्व के द्वारा अपने आश्रम के ऐसे रखा, कोई भी उनके घर में रहे, यहाँ तक भी नहीं वो नहीं, ये सत्यजुग, another name, many names but same name but many yugas, many different. Purana says not only one Gautam, many Gautam Rishi, many also come. Understand this? Now coming in this way, so when demons fighting with that demigod and Indra try to kill to them, then they run there very quickly and come and enter in the cottage of Gautam Rishi. Because Gautam Rishi's ashram is protected by his wife's chastity. Then all the demigod will protect a prayer to Lord Vishnu. How will kill the demon? How to defeat to the demon? Then Lord Vishnu told, okay, I will kill the wife of Gautam Rishi. Then Lord Vishnu, Chakra coming, then Vishnu Chakra, Sudarshan Chakra came and killed the wife of Gautam Rishi. That time Gautam Rishi became very angry and he gave curse to Lord Vishnu. Hey Lord Vishnu, you also killed my wife without reason. My wife did not disturb you. Why did you kill my wife? I am feeling separation from my wife. In the same way, Lord Vishnu, you will be separate from your wife, Lakshmi Devi. And also, someone kidnapped your wife. Then you realize what kinds of separation from your wife. So that time Lord Vishnu also told, hey Gautam Rishi, I accept your curse. So further Lord Vishnu appeared in the form of Lord Ramchandra, and same Lakshmi Devi, she appeared in the form of Sita Devi. Then this Lila is going on, Ravan kidnapped Sita Devi, this Ramayana is saying. So in this way, this is the foundation of Ramayana Katha. Ram Katha is this way. Now coming in this way, Valmiki Rishi very nicely explained about Ram Lila Katha in Ramayana. Because I told, Mool Ramayana, that is called the origin Ramayana, that is called Valmiki Ramayana. And this Valmiki Ramayana composed in the Sanskrit Bharata, that is called Dev Bhasha, Devanagari Bhasha. Sanskrit, in Sanskrit, this way. But after many authors, according to the language, they also wrote Raman in their language. Understand? And if you go India, many languages are there. Bengali, Hindi, and Kannada, especially if you go South India, and Gujarati, and different many languages. So for this regard, many authors came, they also wrote Ramayana, same Ramayana, on the basic of Valmiki Ramayana. But they also wrote Ramayana, and they also added many things also. So for this regard, our Shastra is saying, original Ramayana, perfect Ramayana, that is called the Valmiki Ramayana. Yesterday I told, the Valmiki Rishi, he manifested the Ramayana by the qualities mercy of Brahmaji. As like Vasudev Goswami, he manifested the Srimad Bhagavatam by the qualities mercy of Narad Rishi, Bhakti Yogena Manasi, Sammoko Pranite Amali, Apaspurusham Purno, Mayancho Tadvasra. Vasudev, he practiced the Bhakti Yoga, and by the causeless mercy of Narad Rishi, he direct took darshan all Krishna's Leela. Then he mentioned Srimad Bhagavatam. In the same way, by the causeless mercy of Brahmaji, Valmiki Rishi, he realized all Ram Leela Katha. In Saket Dham of Aprakita transcendental world, Saket Dham of Ayodhya, then he saw all Ram Leela. And then he manifested this Ramayana that is called Ram Charit Katha. Now coming in this way, in the Ikhaku Vangsha, because Srimad Bhagavatam also explained, Katito Vangsha Vistaru Soma Surjayu, Sukdev Goswami Path told him, Maharaj Parikshit. I told you the two dynasties Katha, दो वंश की कथा आप लोग के निकट में कीर्तन किया क्या क्या सोम वंश एंड सूर्य वंश की कथा सोम सूर्य वंश मीन्स द डायनेस्टी ऑफ सन लॉर्ड रामचंद्र appeared Lord Ramchandra he appeared in the dynasty of sun god Surya Vansha katha and Lord Krishna he appeared in the dynasty of moon dynasty is called Chandra Vansha katha. So now coming in this way, Lord Ramchandra he appeared in the dynasty of Surya Vansha. In this dynasty of Surya Vansha, there one king, his name is Ikhaku Vansha. In that dynasty also many powerful and Kshatriya kings, they also appear. Very powerful kings, they also appear. Especially Raghu Vansha, Srimad Bhagavatam also explained, and Ramayana also explained Raghu. One very powerful and pious king, he came, his name was Raghu. So for this regard, Lord Ramchandra also is called Raghava.